In this video today, I am going to talk to you about the fastest way that you can lose your customers. Hi, my name is Shraddha Agarwal and I am a success coach for women entrepreneurs. I help growth-minded and success-oriented women to identify and unlock their true potentials so that they can create an impactful and influential presence in the society. As a women entrepreneur or any entrepreneur for that matter, we have many a time seen that we tend to lose our customers. They are not returning back to us or we are not getting new clients. So where does this lack come from? Let us consider a few points. The first is over-promising and under-delivery. So when we speak to the customers, we give them lots of hopes and expectations about the product and services, the best experience, the best taste, the best quality, and so on and so forth. But when the final product is delivered, there is a lag. The customer is not happy with you. There has been some miscommunication. There has been something which is not delivered up to the mark. So this is one thing that when you talk to the clients, tell them what is exactly that you're going to give them rather than promising too much and giving them less. I prefer to promise them less but give them way beyond their expectations. The second one would be being unresponsive to your clients. This means that when a client calls you, you are not responding to the calls. When the client tries to reach you, you are not getting back to them, you are unavailable to them. Now this creates a gap and a little rift in between the customers and as an entrepreneur. So we have to see that whenever we have promised certain things to our clients, we are also being responsible for what we are giving to them. The client does not need to come back to us. In fact, we should be the one approaching the clients with all the details, all the facts, and all the promises and hopes that we are providing to the client. The third would be not reaching out to your clients in the proper manner. There are a lot of tools today to reach out to your clients, which could be through social media, which could be through WhatsApp, through social organizations, through different groups. Now, when you're not reaching out to the clients, they are not getting to know about your sales. They have approached to you from a manner, so we have to reach out back to them. This is the communication that has to be followed between the client and the entrepreneur. So we need to see that there is no lag, there is no gap in the communication whenever we are conversing or whenever we are in with touch to our clients. The fourth one also I give important, which is the look. How do you look? Do you look professional enough? Now the look is very important because the way you present yourself, the client actually gets attracted to you first and then to your products and services. So if you look professional enough, your confidence is shown, your experience is shown, how you will deliver the products, everything is supported by the way you look, the way you carry, the way you behave with your clients, the way you talk to your clients. So that is also very important. The fifth one would be you are not innovating your products or services enough. You are selling that same typical one product or service since ages. You have not created any other thing, you've not innovated them, you are not coming out with new things, you're not giving them something new that they come back to you. The client will not come to you if you are giving them the same thing. So you need to attract your clients with providing them with new information, new products, services, whatever is available to you within your space. So I hope this will solve some of your problems and you will know where are your customers going and why are they leaving you. These are the very basic and fastest way that you will lose your customers anytime. So keep these in mind. This is me, Shraddha Agarwal, your success coach for the women entrepreneurs, helping women to upscale, uplift, have an impactful and influential image and presence in the society. For anything more, please get in touch with me. You can DM me, you can comment in the box below. How are you losing your customers? Maybe we can work it together. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.